What up, boys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, we're going to review something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And for you guys that don't know, I'm a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu brown belt. So for you guys that don't know, I've been training Jiu-Jitsu for 10 years now. September will be my 10-year anniversary. And on top of that, I wanted to do a nice fun review on one of my favorite Jiu-Jitsu gis. Now for the no gis, I'm rocking the Vegeta rash guard. I love fun rash guards, but the main thing that I love are Jiu-Jitsu gis. Now since I've been training a long time, you guys know as I do, there are a lot of companies out there that sell gis. We've got Coral, I think there's Piranha, we've got Venom. There are a lot out there. Not only that, we've got custom made ones that we'll see maybe on fightmagazine.com or things like that. But there's one that's always stood out to me that I've come back time and time again, and I kind of want to do a fun review on that brand. And that brand is Fuji. That's right, Fuji. I love their brand. They've got a great looking gi, and this is gonna be their Sekai edition. This is their competition lightweight gi. Now I have a white one, I've got also a nice cool blue one, but I really wanted to dive in and find out what their black one looks like. So I got a brand new one, let's open it up. I'll show you guys some cool size differences, how it fits, and how it looks. Because the one thing that I love that I'll get into a little later is that Fuji does a really good job about catering to the size of the player. And that's a big deal for us practitioners. We all come in different shapes and sizes. We got the long and skinny and the short and stout, and we want something that feels custom fitted for us. And I think that's where Fuji comes in. I've had their gis, I wear an A2 in theirs. It's a little short on the sleeves, but what's cool is I've ordered one, a black one, that's now A2 long, and I believe they have an A2 short as well. So I got my package, I wanna open it up, I actually wanna put it on. We'll feel the size, the actual feeling of it, see if it's a nice fitted gi, and then what we'll do is we'll take it over to the gym, we'll see how it feels, looks, and how it wears while rolling. All right, let's open her up. Cool. So we got a nice cool package. We've got the sweet Fuji logo. So we'll pull it out. Oh, okay, so we got ourselves a gi holder, a nice little bag that we can put our gi in. That's really sweet. And what's nice is, this is what they have in their gi back. So you'll see that it's the whole world that they put inside the gi on the back. So we'll take this off. This is a really nice case, I do have to say. It's a package in a package in a package. So we'll pull out the pants first, and we'll kind of get a good look at this. Now this is something that I like as flair. I love that they added the Japanese yellow embroidery right there. That's really nice. World Rankings Sekai. That's very cool. These are sweet. They are lightweight. I like that we have a nice white coloring on it. That's very cool. I love the white stitching. I like the gray stitching. And then we've got that no rip stop on the pants, which I love. You guys know as well as I do, there are different fabrics that you can use. Let's see if I can give you guys a little more close, but this is that nice lightweight style fabric. Now I'll show you guys a little tricks and tips in another video about this, but I love the strings. I'm not a big fan of the stretchy strings or the thick ones because for me, they always come undone. I actually like the thin strings that go through. So I'll show you guys a cool trick on that later. But all in all, I already know this is gonna fit because it's the long and these pants are already lengthy. All in all, this is a great pair of pants. Like I said, I love the lightweight. I'm gonna take over and get the kimono on right now, the actual top, and we'll put this to the side. And when we're all done, we'll throw everything on and hit the gym. Now I'm really stoked about this, guys. I haven't had a black gi in like 2 years. Oh, this is cool. Now look what they did. Look at, see, we have that A2 long. Like I said, this is something that a lot of companies need to start doing is adhere to the long and shorter guys. And we'll get into another topic later too about some companies need to start just selling pants and tops because we all know how that goes. But wow, look at that. So we're definitely representing the Sekai here. And once again, we have the world ranking embroidery. And I love how they brought the world backdrop into the gi. Very nice. Let's go ahead and throw it on. Why not? Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about right here. All right. We'll just kind of go on a side note as we put this on. Usually right now my gis are about right here. We got a little bit of length, but I love that it stops right there on the wrist. Let's go ahead and throw it all on. Oh my gosh. So what's really nice is I'm so used to my other gis that I've had for a long time. And like I said, as I stretch my arm out here, I had a long length on my gi. Actually, you know what I'll do right now? I'll put on my other gi right now, and then we're gonna do a comparison right now. Here, we'll do it. There it is right there. I got a nice 6-inch gap between the sleeve and the wrist. So for the A2, it'll be very different between the lengths of not only your sleeve to your wrist, but also your pant leg to your feet. I mean, this sucker fits like a glove. Now I gotta throw on the belt just because I can get the full gist of how it feels. Now my other gis, like I said earlier, are just a shorter length on the wrist. Now that they have the long, it makes it so much better for us longer, lengthy people. We don't have very much loose fabric here. It's still nice and tight in the midsection. It's really not long on the bottom here. So in all, it fits just like my other ones. I just have a little more play in the sleeves. So with that being said, I think this is a great gi for you longer guys or shorter guys if you need that shorter length. But I love what they did with the embroidery. They brought color to it. I love the Sekai version. Like I said, it's a competition style gi. It's very light. And look at this, you guys. Sekai means world in Japanese. This authentic BJJ gear from Fuji Sports was designed for serious performance and as tribute to the world of jiu-jitsu. And that's what it is. We are all world jiu-jitsu practitioners. It doesn't matter what language you speak, we all train the same. So I would like to actually go put this on. I'm gonna go to the gym, we're gonna throw it over there, and then we're just gonna put in some fun B-roll of me rolling. So other than that, I definitely recommend the Fuji Sekai edition. This is a great gi for you competitors out there. I've said it time again, it's a nice, light, fitting gi. Without further ado, let's head on over to the gym. Let's get some fun rolls on.